Welcome back to Hamilton Lifestyles. I am your host, Brian Hamilton. Ooh, what's inside here? Today we're going to be doing DIY candy treats. Candy treats are great for friends and family gatherings, perfect potluck talking points, and pair well with all occasions. Some supplies you're going to need are your choice of candy and chocolate, and your choice of molds. What you're going to do is milk the candy, place them in the mold, then place in the refrigerator, remove it from the mold, and then you're done. It's time to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.